Hi everyone, this is Christine Loyola, your growth partner, and I would like to welcome you to the Red Business presentation. Rising Era Dynasty is launched last October 2018. It has helped thousands of people in agriculture and wellness sector worldwide. It is awarded as the most innovative MLM company awardee by Asian Networkers Convention and Expo. It is well established with international offices. The man behind Rising Era Dynasty is our President and CEO, Mr. Red Era. He is a business strategist, an innovator, and a philanthropist. Sabi nga ng aming mga brand partners, 4 na M. Matino, mabango, magwapo, at mabilyonaryo. Our Red products are the following. First are the Red Grow Essentials. Restore, enhance, and defend. First is Go Green. Pinakamabisang is spirulina. For 12 tablets of Go Green every day, you will have a lot of nutrients. At sabi nga nila sa pinakamabisang spirulina namin, kapag nagtitake ka ng kada tableta ay para ka na rin kumakain ng 3 kilos of assorted fruits and vegetables. Red Go Green restores our body with proper and needed nutrients in order for you to function well. And here are the benefits of spirulina. Next we have the GoZyme, the world's strongest health enhancer. Digestion is essential for breaking down food into nutrients, which the body utilizes for energy, growth, and cell repair. Lahat ng yan ay nandito sa aming GoZyme. Next, we have the Go Defend, the most complete antioxidant. It is a food supplement made with camu-camu berry extract, acai berry extract, and astaxanthin derived from microalgae na talaga namang nakakapagpaganda ng iyong skin. And our Go Defend, which is most complete when it comes to antioxidant, can actually boost your immune system, improves liver health, enhances mood, improves gum and heart health, at anti-aging pa ang aming Go Defend. Next, we have the Go White, our safe and quick whitening supplement. It is a food supplement blended with selected ingredients to immediately consume your body's available glutathione for 3 hours. The Grand C Plus Zinc, the most effective and affordable immunity booster. And here are the benefits of our Grand C Plus Zinc. Next, we have our red beverages. First on the list is our premium coffee with Kasip Fatima. Dito sa kape na to, says sexy ka na, sisikip ka pa. This premium coffee with Kasip Fatima has MCT oil plus collagen na talaga namang nakakapagpa-sexy at nakakapagpasikip sa'yo. MCT oil benefits can actually promote weight loss, good energy source, and other benefits. Another thing are the collagen benefits na nakakapagpa-anti-aging and improves skin health. Premium coffee with ginseng and tongkat ali. Purong tongkat ali para sa pangmatagalang lakas. And these are the health benefits of our ginseng plus tongkat ali. Next premium coffee that we have is Spirulina and Ganoderma. Ito ang aming kapeng nagpapagaling. Spirulina and Ganoderma proponents claim that Ganoderma coffee can boost immunity. It can help with weight loss, fight fatigue, and improve memory. At nakakapag-increase din ito ng energy stamina, it lowers cholesterol, at nakaka-relieve ito ng stress. Next beverage, we have Insulin Care Plus, the right coffee for you. Insulin Care Plus is made up of the finest green herbs, insulin plant, banaba, ampalaya, turmeric, and stevia. This Insulin Care Plus, the right coffee for you, has turmeric and stevia. Turmeric scientifically proven health benefits such as the potential to prevent heart disease, Alzheimer's, and cancer. And stevia as a sugar substitute has no carbohydrates, calories, or artificial ingredients. And here are our red agriculture products. Una, ang aming Grand Humus Plus. Nagpapataas ng ani at nagpapababa ng gastos. Here are the benefits of the Grand Humus Plus for the soil, for the plants, and for the farmers. Grand Foliar Fertilizer. Garantisadong epektibo at pinakaabot-kayang foliar fertilizer. This 100% natural, all-purpose foliar fertilizer all-in-one, very safe, affordable, eco-friendly, and highly effective. And here are the benefits of our Grand Foliar Fertilizer. Grand Humivet, the best animal health routine supplement. It is an organic, all-natural, and non-toxic, non-allergic supplement para sa ating mga pets. And these are the characteristics ng aming Grand Humivet. Natural growth stimulant, antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and anti-mold. And here are the benefits. Next product that we have is the Advanced Power Max Lube. Ang langis na di ka bibitinin. And here are the benefits of our Power Max Lube. are Intensive Whitening Soap, Anti-Acne Whitening Soap, and Antibacterial Soap with tea tree and mint. Next we have Carefresh. Pads that truly cares para sureness ang freshness mo. Carefresh is made with the latest technology incorporating bamboo charcoal, an ion, and herbal 3-in-1 chip to ensure the safest, most hygienic, and the most comfortable napkin. And here are the benefits of our Carefresh.